What is up, guys? Today I will have a comparison of two ZTE LTE models, which is one is old one, second one is new one. This one is like 5 years, 6 years old, so it's from 2020, let's say, and the new one is from 2025. The model is MF79U that it was released around 5 years ago, and this new model ZTE F30 Pro, which was released in 2025. So let's check it out. Firstly, how they look like. So as you see, the previous model is twice maybe thicker. Here we see it on a weight. It's also a bit the weight a bit higher. How they look like? It's actually very similar. Now we have only one indicator. Before we had two indicators. ZTE logo also changed. Now it's golden here and bigger. Also, they put it vice versa. Now we have the USB Type-C actually port here. Then you can connect your laptop using the Type-C, or you can connect it to power bank or any other source of power by Type-C. Before we had only USB option available, which is also quite different than before. Here, from opening what's inside, before it was opening from the top, now it's opening from the bottom here. And inside, before we had micro SD card, I don't know who used it, now we don't have it. Also mini SIM card, now it's a nano SIM card, which is also important difference because now no one using the mini SIM card. And actually all the others still very similar. What's new? It's more bands for LTE supported here in the new version. Also Wi-Fi X, so Wi-Fi 6 is here, also supported. Just a bit better hardware also installed here as well. And the maximum speed should be very similar, but let's test it out. Let's make a speed test between those two. In general, those two routers is just from one brand, from one class, almost similar price, just 5-year difference. Alright, so let's connect them. I have USB here. I think one I will connect by Type-C because there is not enough space. So let's do it like this. I can also use two power banks, but there is no purpose of this, so I will use just Type-C here. Even this you can close, so it looks quite nice. This way. Okay, both of them connecting, similar, actually not similar, same SIM cards, I mean same operator to different numbers, so this test will be more or less objective here. So let's try it out. One is ready, second one is ready. Let's try again the speed test, how fast they will load. Let's disconnect them and 1, 2, 3 connect. So let's wait who will be the first. The new model turned on faster. Let's wait until it will change the color to white. And yes, the new model is actually working faster. It's already connected and Wi-Fi is still not visible for both. I'm updating on my phone here. Let's test it out again. I think it should be available now. So this one I used before, so it has a name, my BID here. So both of them available. You see Wi-Fi 6 near the new model, and here is a previous model. So let's do the tests, the speed tests in same conditions. Actually, let's go to speed test. So let's test the first one here. Actually, now you see the speed of the first and pin 28. The speed is 10 as for now. Let's check it out, comparing to second one. So download speed is 10, upload speed will be, there is some delay, pin 28, 6, 5, okay, 3 even, okay, very slow, a bit improved, but let's wait until final results. So that's the old one. Let's say 1010 for the old one here, almost same. And let's connect to the new one, Wi-Fi 6 as we see indicated. So it's new one. Let's test the speed. So actually speed is almost twice higher. Okay, it's slowing down a bit. 14, 13. Okay, it's actually start was good. Now it's a bit worse, but still better. The ping is 19, the speed is 12.5, so it's like 20% improvement. Let's check for upload. Also, first it's fast, but upload actually is much better. Much better. It's almost 2.5 times better. Of course, it's all relative, but in general, I think 20% improve you can get with the new one. So that's the results of the new one, and it's better, and let's say much better. Also, let's check how warm they are. Actually, I think also the new model, okay, it's actually same warm here. And both of them working pretty well. And if you're choosing in 2025 which one to buy, I guess you should buy only the new one because it has better characteristics. It's newer, more band supported, and price is very similar. So it's just updates of this old model. Alright, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.